Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply disable notifications, sounds and calls on Facebook Messenger. That's very simple and easy, just follow these simple steps and first open up Messenger application and then click on the profile icon on the top left. Here I need to select notifications and sounds right here. And there I need to turn Do Not Disturb feature. If I will turn it on, I will not get any notifications from the messenger for that amount of time. I can select 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours or until 8 a.m. of the next day. I will select for 1 hour and now Facebook Messenger will be not able to send me any notifications for 1 hour. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.